What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're gonna be going to actually we just came to the first Cars and Coffee meet. We're a little early. There's a couple guys here, there's a couple cars. People are coming in right now, but like I mentioned on the last video, when I installed the steering wheel and the interior on the Nova, like I mentioned in that video, my friend Alonso and myself, we were gonna drive our cars, the Nova and his Firebird, to a couple cars and Coffee. This is the first one here. It's a little early, but things are gonna get a little better. We're gonna stay here for maybe an hour or so, and then we're gonna head out to the other one. There's gonna be another one, and we're gonna go check that one out as well. You guys are gonna be coming with us. You guys are gonna be riding along with us, so you guys can see what we do when we're away from the shop, away from working on the cars. This place here, it's Speedway Motors. It's supposed to be a very we've never been here. They're gonna open up in another hour, maybe half an hour, so we're gonna check it out for sure. We're gonna go in there and see what they have in there. It's good to know that we have a store like this here, and that way we can order parts locally if they have them. But anyway, this is the Nova's right here. Alonso's over there. Alonso, see, we're ready to go. He's just doing his thing on the phone. I got this one here. He's got he drove the Firebird. It's looking amazing as usual. There's a couple more guys here that just pulled up. That Maverick right there is really sick. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. So we just, like I said, we just got here, and we'll see how this, we're gonna see how this gets. All right, so we're just gonna give it another half an hour or so, and then I'll give you another update of this meet. Stay tuned. All right, guys, as you guys can see, there's a lot more people here now, and this place is it's getting crowded for sure. We've never been here before, and there's a lot of good looking rides. Nice. Alright guys, we came to the other show, but it was a little too late. The show was about to be done. There was only a couple of cars there left. I guess because we spent too much time at the other show, at the other cars and coffee. So what we're gonna do now, since that is done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go eat. We're gonna go try a new. We're gonna go try out a new place. It's a barbecue restaurant. We haven't been there, so we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see how good that place is, and you're gonna see what we're gonna eat. Remember, this is a day off for us. We're not working on anything. We're just gonna be driving around, and we're just gonna have a little fun. So let's start heading that way, and you guys are gonna see what we're gonna eat. All right, so let's keep going. right, guys, well, we made it to the place. It's a barbecue joint, and as you can see, we already got all the food right here. And look at all these goodness right there. And of course, we had to have a beer. My boy had a beer. This guy right here is gonna start with whatever. I don't know what he's drinking.
Energy drink.
Anyway, so this is it right here, guys. We're gonna dig in and enjoy our meal because, like as I mentioned before, this is our day off from working on the cars or trucks. We deserve a day off, and today it's been a great day so far. Let's hope that the food is as great as our day has been. Why don't we just start digging in, and we're gonna show you what this is all about. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Let's see what this tastes like. It's good. It's a lot of meat. Really good.
It's really good.
Alonso, he's about half done with his, and his was
Bigger.
the bigger one. Let's see Pedro. I vote for Pedro. Go. Do it. Take a bite. All right, guys, we are done eating. We had a great time. We had an amazing day. Food was delicious. We had fun today. We haven't had a break for a while now, but it was needed. It was well worth the time off. For one day, we got to continue working with on the projects. We got to get the yellow one going, and there's more happening. The Nova is going to continue. So if you guys like what you saw today, please leave a comment in the section down below. If you guys want to know anything about anything you guys saw in the video today, just let us know. All we gotta say is we got some take-home lunch leftovers. It's good, and yeah. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, and keep liking the videos, keep watching the videos, because this is gonna get better and better. All right, later.